Are your iPhone photos coming out way too bright? No need to stress, I'm here to help you out. In today's video, I'll guide you through some easy and effective solutions to tackle the overexposure issue on your iPhone camera. Let's jump right into these fixes. Solution 1. Turn off Smart HDR. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Camera. Then, tap on Record Video. After that, scroll down. Make sure Smart HDR is toggled off. This will help balance the exposure in your videos. Solution 2. Adjust exposure manually. First, open the Camera app on your iPhone. Then tap the screen to focus on your subject. You'll notice a sun icon next to the focus box. After that, slide the sun icon down to decrease the exposure. Now take a photo to check if the problem is fixed. Solution 3. Enable lens correction. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down or tap on Camera. After that, scroll down again. Now toggle on the lens correction option. This will automatically adjust the exposure for improved photo quality. Solution 4. Clean the camera lens. Check if the camera lens for any dirt or smudges. Then use a microfiber clothing to gently clean the lens. Make sure there is no dust or debris affecting the exposure. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap General. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Your settings will be reset, but don't worry, your data won't be lost. Now test the camera to see if the issue is resolved. And there you have it! Those are the steps to fix overexposed photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!